Good morning, friends. Let's repeat the least square method and strengthen it. Look, the instruction is fitting linear equation, obtain estimate numbers of vehicles registered in year 2016 and 2017. In short, you are provided a data for registered number of vehicles from 2010 to 2015, as you can see in thousands. Number of vehicles is given in thousand, which is variable y, and data is provided for 6 year 2010 to 2015, and you are asked to estimate the values for 2016 and 2017. Now let's start. First, in this way, prepare 3 extra column after the data t, t square and ty. As all of you knows that instead of number of years for calculation, the value of t are taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 respectively. ईयर के बदले टी की वैल्यू 1 से स्टार्ट करके जितने साल हो उतनी ली जाती है. सो इट बिकम ईजी. नाउ टी स्क्वायर आर डन. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36. And then after the product of t and y, t और y का मल्टीप्लाई किया जाता है. 69 into 1, 69, 75 into 2, 150, 82 into 3, 246. In this way, the column of ty is prepared. At the end, total of all the 4 columns are done. Total of y, sigma y, 533. Total of t is called sigma t, 21. Total of t square is called sigma t square, 91. And total of ty is called sigma ty, 2024. After preparing table in this manner, then in step number 1, find out two means y bar and t bar. Y bar is equal to sigma y upon n, 533 divided by 6 equal to 88.83, and then t bar is equal to sigma t upon n, 21 upon 6 equal to 3.5. This way y bar and t bar are found in step number 1. Then in step number 2, find out two constant values b and a. First b, formula n sigma ty minus sigma t into sigma y upon n sigma t square minus sigma t is whole square. Now put the values from the table. n यानी number of years या number of observation, they are 6. Sigma ty 2024 minus sigma t 21, sigma y 533, division n 6 sigma t square 91 माइनस सिग्मा टी ऊपर की जो फर्स्ट वैल्यू है सिग्मा टी 21 उसका स्क्वायर 2024 इंटू 6 बाई कैलकुलेटर 12,144 माइनस 21 इंटू 533 11,193 divided by 91 into 6 546 minus 21 square 441. Now subtraction 12,144 minus 11,193 is equal to 951, and in denominator 546 minus 441 equal to 105. Now doing division, 951 divided by 105 equal to 9.06 is the value of b. After finding out the value of b in this manner, now find the value of a. A is equal to y bar minus b into t bar. So put the value of y bar, it is 88.83 minus in bracket value of b 9.06 into value of t bar 3.5. Multiplication of 9.06 and 3.5 is 31.71. So now 88.83 minus 31.71 equal to A's value found. A is equal to 57.12. after finding out value of B and A. Now in step number 3, linear equation. Linear equation is cap of y is equal to a plus b into t. Cap of y is equal to a plus b into t. In this equation, first put the value of a and b. As you can see, b's value is 57.12. Then plus a's value is 9.06 into t. This is called linear equation. After putting the value of a and b in linear equation, then now for the 2016, the value of t will be taken 7. Why? Continuously for 2010 it was 1. For 2011 the value of t was 2. At the end for 2015 the value of t was 6. So in respective order for 2016 the value of t will be taken 7. 2015 के लिए t की वैल्यू 6 थी, तो उसके बाद 2016 के लिए t की वैल्यू 7 होगी. So put the value of t is equal to 7 in this linear equation. Cap of y is equal to 57.12 plus 9.06 into, अब उसके अंदर मल्टीप्लाई में t की वैल्यू 7 रखी जाएगी. As you can see in bracket, 9.06 into value of t 7. So 57.12 plus 9.06 into 7, it is 63.42. So now addition of both 57.12 plus 63.42, cap of y यानी estimated value यानी कि trend value for 2016 year is found 120.54 thousands. Now for the 2017 the value of t will be 8 in respective order. क्यों? क्योंकि 16 के लिए t is equal to 7, then for 2017 t will be 8 in respective order. Now put once again t equal to 8 in linear equation. Cap of y is equal to 57.12 plus 9.06 into 8. The value of t is put 8. 9.06 into t की value 8 रखने की. So 57.12 plus 9.06 into 8 is equal to 72.48. Now addition of both. Cap of y 2017 यानी 2017 के लिए एस्टिमेटेड वैल्यू यानी कि ट्रेंड वैल्यू इज फाइंड आउट 129.6 thousands. The number of vehicle is in 1000. It means estimated value of y comes in thousands. This way the least square method is performed.